In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off USB errors notifications in Windows 10. So friends, to turn off and stop USB errors notification, firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now click on Devices. In the last you will see option USB, so click on it. Now uncheck this first option, notify me if there are issues connecting to USB devices. So uncheck this one. Now close it. So this is friends, by this quick and very super easy method we can know how to turn off, disable and stop USB errors notifications in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.